Oh. It's a pretty girl, Dolly. Pretty girl. You're doing your love dance. Look at your legs all spread apart.
Hi.
Hey,
Hi. Hi.
you're doing a little love dance. Oh.
You want a scratch?
Do you need a cigarette? It's a beautiful girl.
Oh,
no, it's time to have a little scratch. Pretty
Look at
girl.
your little belly.
Want to say something for the camera? No swearing.
I will destroy all humans.
Say hello, everybody. I'm an Australian. What is she?
Indian ringneck.
Indian redneck.
Ringneck.
Ringneck. What else? Oh,
Indian
ringneck parrot. Sorry about that. I get things wrong. Very pretty girl, but she has to be on her own because she has a little anger issue now and then.
He's good at anger management.
Yes, she needs some form of. She's learning with love, aren't you, beautiful girl? She used to squawk and carry on and be very distressed a lot because she wasn't being kept probably, very well. I don't want to say too much. She wasn't in a good way. She was very nervous. Now, oh look, she seems quite happy. But I wouldn't want to put my finger in there because she'll bite me. That's for sure. She will bite the hand that feeds her. She hasn't got the memo. Anyway, bye guys. Love from Australia. Mwah. Say bye, Dolly. Bye, y'all. Bye, bye, pretty girl. No, she doesn't want to talk. She usually is a bit of a chatterbox, aren't you? Where do we get that from?